Okay guys, let's see how we can make profitable trades on daily basis using this setup. Okay, this trading setup is so unique and so beautiful and makes it very easy for us to analyze the market easily and make profitable trades from there. Okay, sometimes it gives us the opportunity to trade for a short period of time, just the way we add from here to here, or probably from this buy order to where it stops here at the resistance zone. And sometimes it gives us the opportunity to to trade for a very long time, just the way we add a selling order around here. Okay, and of course it gives us the opportunity to sell for a very long time. Okay, it also happened around here guys, where we have the opportunity to buy for a very long time. You can see it kept on going on and on. If you want an opportunity like this, or probably you want to know how you can make profitable trades like this, how you can make up to $1,000 in a day, or maybe you want to try to grow that your small trading capital into something reasonable, then you need to watch this video to the end, because that is when you can understand how to do so. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos, do your own personal research about it to know how it works, how you can put it into use on your real account, which means you need to practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so quickly, just like I said, on this platform we look at how we can use different trading strategies to make some good amount of profit for ourselves right from here. Now let's check it out right away. Like I've always been telling you in most of my videos, the most important thing that that you should look out for whenever you are trading is your trend. Okay, your trend is very important, and there are two major types of trend. Either the market is on uptrend or is on downtrend. Okay, so these are the two major types of trend that you should experience whenever you are trading. So you should look out for any of these. Okay, and of course, once you are able to identify any of these, then you will be able to say if it is the type of trend you want to go on with before you jump into the market. For instance, okay, with this particular account, I'm on 5-minute time frame. We got the market had been on a sell order till it got to this support zone. I've always been telling you at the lower part of the support zone is, at the lower part of the chart, we've got this support zone, and it is always the major support zone, and at the upper part, that is where we've got the resistance zone, and it is always a major resistance zone. And once the market is approaching any of the two, then we should be expecting a CIT strategy to take over. But if it does not work, then we should look out for the BRO. Okay, so this is very important. So when this actually got to this support zone, we expect the CIT strategy to take over, and of course all we just need to do is just for us to wait for all the necessary signals. Number one, we need to I'll get the signal for the trend, which is going to be an uptrend signal. You can see the dotted green line. Okay, let me show you very well. Let me remove this. You can see the dotted green line, and of course that shows that the market is going back on uptrend. But because the market has shown that it's most likely for it to go back on the uptrend, does not mean we should just jump into it. Okay, we need to wait for the next signal, which is going to be the buy signal. And you can see this green diamond shape. Okay, it is the signal for buy, and of course that is why I am putting a buy order around here. So once we get that, then this is the right time for us to jump into the trade, so we can place our buy order once you get that. Okay, so we placed our buy order around there. Okay, because we have placed our buy order around there and we've been given all the necessary signals, does that mean we shouldn't set our stop loss? No, you need to set your stop loss because you need to protect your capital. Anything can still happen. Where are you to put your stop loss? Put your stop loss at the support zone. Okay, so this is where we have our support zone, so our stop loss should be somewhere here. Okay, so this makes it very easy for us to trade. Okay, so with this we have confidence that even if the market should misbehave, it's just going to hit the stop loss and just a bit of the capital will be taken away, not a major part of the capital. So this makes it very easy for us to trade. But if it goes in our direction, then we are most likely to make more profit right from there, which is what actually happened. So you can see the market actually picked up from here, and of course it kept on going on until it got to this region, and of course because it got to this region, pulled back a bit and went back up again. So at this stage I expect you to readjust your stop loss in order to lock up some part of your profit. These are some of the things I actually teach my followers on the Telegram platform. I try as much as possible to follow up with whatever signals they are getting using this trading indicator or any of the trading indicator they got for me. So they need to know how to manage their trading activities. So like I said earlier on, if you are not having any of the custom made indicator that my subscribers are using or that they got from me, you need to get them, because that is the only way you can easily identify your trend, and of course it is the only way you can easily do your analysis and start milking the market successfully. So you can either get this smart indicator or you get the 3M train milker trading indicator, this particular indicator. So you can get any of the two. Okay, they will work very well for you. It all depends on you. Okay, I even have some people that are combining the two together in order for them to make more profitable trades. So you too, if that is what you want, you can also combine the two, but I believe one is okay for you. So these are custom made indicators that helps you to analyze the market easily. Okay, so with that you can always be in profit. So if you're not having any of these trading tools, you need to get them right away. So you can contact me on WhatsApp and we can get one ready for you right away. So this is very easy for us to do. Okay, so all you just need to do, like I said, you need to manage your trading activities. The custom made indicator has given us the right indication and the market is already going in our direction. So at this stage, this your stop loss is no longer useful around here, so you need to make it active and very useful. You just need to adjust it to the middle to lock up some part of your profit. At this stage, lock up 30 to 40% of your profits. What do I mean by lock up? Okay, just adjust your stop loss to about 30 to 40% of the profits which you have made already, which means if the market should come down and try to go the other way around, once it gets to the stop loss, it should take you out of the market with the 30 to 40% of the profit which you have locked up. I think this is beautiful. That is why we are always winning the Telegram channel. Even if the market should misbehave, it will hit our stop loss, and of course we will still be in profit. Okay, that is the idea about it. We are not keeping anything, we are not holding anything back. The only thing that you might be complaining of is you not having access to custom made indicator, and it is because you are the one not you are the one not taking the right action to have the custom made indicator. I've done a lot of I've given people a lot of opportunity to have access to the indicator, so you too can also have access to it. All you just need to do is just for you to contact me, okay, on WhatsApp, and you will be able to get it right away. Okay, so quickly, these are the pullback, but they didn't get to the stop loss. Each time it has a pullback, do not readjust your stop loss. Just allow your stop loss to remain where it is. Okay, so if it hits your stop loss, you are cool. If it does not, then you are still good. We are still in the market. Okay, and later on went up to break out above that. Immediately it breaks out above that, you should readjust your stop loss. This time around, keep 50 to 60% of the profit because you want to make more profits. Okay, that is the purpose of you coming to the market. And it kept on going up, and of course at this stage I will advise you to keep more profit to yourself. Okay, and it got to this. Okay, so at this stage I expect you guys to lock up more profit for yourself. Okay, so there's nothing bad if you lock up, because it has naturally gotten to the upper part of the charts, which means that it is at the resistance zone, so you should lock up about 80% of the profit. Okay, so this actually came down and got to the stop loss, so it will take you out of the market. There is nothing bad about it. It took you out of the market. Your profit will go straight to your balance, which is cool. Keep studying the market, see what will happen. And of course it got to this region after taking you out of the market, but went back up to give us another buying opportunity around here, because it broke out. I mean, it's trying to break out above this resistance zone, but wait for it to break out above it before you go into it. That is the BRO strategy. So it broke out around there, then you can now go into it and place a new order, set your stop loss, and of course you milk the market till you get to this region. Okay, so that is how beautiful it is. Okay guys, like I have said earlier on, you can always make profit like this on daily basis. Okay, it all depends on what you are having, or the right, if you are having the right trading tool. Here is one of the right trading tool you can lay your hands on in order for you to enhance your trading activities. And of course here is also another one that you can lay your hands on in order for you to enhance your trading activities. It all depends on the action you are taking. You can also contact me if you don't have any of these two, so that we can make arrangements, or probably you ask more questions about any of these two indicators, so that I can explain to you how they work and how you can put them into use and make some good profit for yourself on daily basis, just the way the rest of us are doing it. If you should notice something, I didn't allow the trading indicator to take over the market on its own. It has given me the opportunity to analyze the market easily. I'm able to figure out where the trend is going to, where to go into the market using the trading tool. But at the same time, immediately I got all the necessary signals from the indicators on what to go for, I decided to place an order, and I did something unique. I decided to manage my trading activities. That is what most of you are leaving behind. Okay, that is why you are losing your money. So I started by protecting my capital using my stop loss. Okay, so I also placed a stop loss to protect my capital. After making some reasonable amount of profit, I decided to move from protecting my capital to protecting my profits, because at that stage I've started making profits, so I don't need the stop loss to protect my capital again. I need it to protect my profit. So I started protecting the profit till I got to the end of the trend. That is how beautiful it is. So you too can also do the same thing if you apply this same strategy using the trading tool, and of course the you are also able to manage your trading activities just the way I have explained. Then you will always be in profit all the time. You will always be in profit all the time. Okay, so that is the beauty part about it. So you too can also do this right away. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.